Bro, 2026 is crazy. Right now, a 19-year-old with a laptop and Wi-Fi can literally earn more than people working 9 to 5 jobs for 10 years. And the scary part, most students will still stay broke. Not because they're dumb, not because they don't work hard, but because nobody showed them the real roadmap. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact roadmap I wish someone gave me when I started. No fake motivation, no become millionaire in 7 days garbage. Just the real stuff that actually works in 2026. And if you watch this video till the end, you'll know exactly what skill to learn, how to get clients, and how students today are making 50,000 rupees, 1 lakh rupees, even 5 lakh rupees online. Let's start. Because honestly, a few years ago, I was completely lost. I remember sitting in college thinking, bro, how are people my age buying iPhones, MacBooks, traveling, but I'm still asking money from my parents? I wanted freedom, not luxury, just freedom. Freedom to buy things without asking anyone. So I started trying everything. Internships, trading, MLM garbage, survey apps, content writing, random online jobs. Most of them failed. Some even made me lose money. And for almost 2 years, nothing really worked. But looking back now, those failures taught me one thing. Making money online is actually simple. But people make it complicated because they keep chasing shortcuts. So let me save your next 3 years. There are only 3 levels to making money online in 2026. Beginner, intermediate, advanced. That's it. Level 1 is beginner. This is where you make your first 10,000 rupees, minus 50 rupees K. Not life-changing money, but enough to prove to yourself that online income is real. At this stage, don't overthink. You can become a video editor, thumbnail designer, virtual assistant, content repurposer, appointment setter, social media manager, tutor, or AI content assistant. These are boring skills, but boring makes money. And in 2026, businesses desperately need people who can save them time. Now listen carefully. Most people fail here because they keep watching tutorials for 8 months without doing anything. Don't do that. Your first 90 days should look like this. Month 1, learn 1 skill only. Not 5 skills. Not crypto, not dropshipping. 1 skill. Month 2, start posting your work online, even if it's bad. Because posting builds proof, and proof builds trust. Month 3, start cold outreach. Message creators, agencies, small businesses. And yes, your first clients might pay less. That's normal. Because at this stage, you're not working for money. You're working for leverage. Your goal is testimonials, case studies, results. That's the real currency online. And once you have that, everything changes. Now you move to level 2. This is where you stop being a student trying to earn money and start becoming valuable. In 2026, the highest paid skills are not random hustle culture skills anymore. The real money is in AI automation, video editing, content strategy, personal branding, sales, copywriting, short form content, web design, and lead generation. Why? Because attention is money now. Every business wants attention. And if you can help them get attention, they'll pay you a lot. I know editors making 2 lakh rupees per month, thumbnail designers making 80,000 rupees a month, copywriters charging 1 lakh rupees for a single project. Not because they're geniuses, because they became useful. That's it. Useful people never stay broke. But here's where things get really interesting. Because the biggest opportunity in 2026 is not freelancing, it's personal branding. This changed my entire life. The moment people start knowing you online, you stop chasing opportunities. Opportunities start chasing you. Clients come automatically. Brands message you. People trust you faster. And suddenly, instead of charging 10,000 rupees, you can charge 1 lakh rupees for the same skill. That's the power of a personal brand. And no, you don't need millions of followers. Even 5,000 loyal followers can completely change your life. But there's one more thing nobody talks about. Communication. Bro, if you can communicate well in English, your income literally doubles. I am serious. Because communication equals confidence, and confidence makes people trust you. That's why 2 people with the same skill can earn completely different amounts. One knows how to present himself, the other doesn't. Now, let me be honest with you. This journey is not easy. There will be nights where you feel behind. Your friends will party while you're editing videos at 2 a.m. People will laugh at you. Some months you'll make zero money. But one day, everything kicks. And the same people who ignored you will ask, bro, how are you making money online? That's why you cannot quit early. Most people quit 3 steps before results. Don't be that person. Because the next 6 months can literally change your next 6 years. But only if you stop consuming and start doing. So after this video ends, don't watch another motivation video. Sit down, pick 1 skill, make a 6-month plan and start.